So you want to get better with money, but you don't know where to start? The best finance books for beginners are the key to building strong money skills. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so let me get started. Many people struggle with money because they didn't learn the basics early on, the foundation. If you've ever felt confused about saving, budgeting, or investing, don't worry, you're not alone. But you know what? With the right books, you can really learn everything that you need to know to take control of your money and to start making smarter decisions today. All right? So listen, here are some of the great books to get you started, okay? Let's start with the Total Money Makeover, okay? I'll put all these books in the description so you see the spelling of everything. So the Total Money Makeover. This book teaches simple steps to pay off debt, save, and build wealth. Then you got Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Great book that helps you think about money in new ways to build strong financial habits. That's the first book I ever read. Then you got The Simple Path to Wealth. This book focuses on the basics of helping you grow your money over time. Then you got You Are a Badass at Making Money. That's the title, okay? A fun motivational read that encourages you to take charge of your financial future. These books are going to give you the knowledge and the confidence to make better money decisions and to grow your wealth. So start reading them today. And if you found anything enjoyable about this little video, leave me a like, subscribe if you want. I love you.